This truly is incredible. The Atlantic is amazing. This is my first time. I've been to the Pacific, I've been to the Gulf. I have never once been to the Atlantic. And this is what it looks like. Beaches are full of trash, but it's so beautiful. And cold as fuck. Like, let me emphasize how fucking cold this place is. Like, I'm gonna stand right here, look at that. Boom. So cold. Hey, look around for crabs. Let's see if we can see any little dudes. I guess we're just kind of stepping on rocks now. Maybe we'll see some wildlife. So far I do not see any wildlife, but this is just incredible. Yo, what the fuck is that? I think there's something down there. We're live, huh? Okay. Come on, let us. All right. Oh, excuse us. There's not as much life here as there is in the Gulf. Like in the jetties, there's usually tons of crabs and stuff. I got that from the Atlantic. Here. Press.
Huh? Oh, cool.